Hello friends, welcome back to Bird Freaks 2021. In today's video, we are going to Munnar. Munnar is a town and a hill station located in the Idukki district of southern India state of Kerala. Munnar is situated at around 16,000 meters above mean sea level in the West Ghats mountain range. Munnar is also called the Kashmir of South India. The name of Munnar is believed to mean three rivers, referring to its location at the confluence of these rivers: Mudirapuza River, Nallatani River, and Kundali River. Okay, so at Munnar, we are going to stay at the Club Mahindra Munnar Lakeview. There are two resorts. One is the Lakeview, one is the Mount City. And at the Lakeview, you get the Lakeview, but where we stayed, we didn't get a Lakeview, so be careful of the room number 1140. And if you want a Lakeview, you should take the room number 1160. So, the places we are going to visit at Munnar are Ayurvedic Spice Garden in Munnar, Sengulam Dam, where we are going to do boating, MACOFA Chocolate Factory. Munnar is famous for its chocolates also, and then we are going to visit the famous tea plantations of Munnar as well. With that, we'll end the day with the Punarjani Kalaripite, where we are going to go to the Punarjani Kalaripite Center and go to see the Kalaripite, which is a martial art, which is a traditional martial art of Kerala. The climate of Munnar is cold, and it becomes misty at evenings and most likely in the mornings. But you shouldn't take it wrong, where at the noon periods it's going to be scorching hot. So it's preferred to not go out of the not go out and see the plantations or anything. It would be scorching hot and it's not good. The nearest major railway station to Munnar is Ernakulam and Aloha. And from Aloha railway station you can take a bus which will take you to Munnar. And the nearest airport is the Cochin International Airport and not Thiruvananthapuram International Airport. And Cochin International Airport is about 110 kilometers away from Munnar. Even Coimbatore and Madurai airports are also nearby Munnar, which is about 165 kilometers away.
And milk chocolate, dairy milk chocolate, not dairy milk, milk chocolate, chocolate with milk.
These were one of the best places you could visit at Munnar, and we had visited and showed you. We had only one day and we spent the whole day by looking at these 5-6 places. But if you want to visit more places, there are more places. It's a large list of places where you can visit at Munnar. So we come to the main question: why should you visit Munnar? Lush tea gardens, pleasant climate, picturesque landscapes, wildlife and nature reserves, adventure activities, cultural attractions, flora and fauna are the main reasons why you should visit Munnar. Munnar is a destination that offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, adventure and cultural experiences, making it a must-visit place for those seeking a refreshing and unique travel experience. With that said, we come to the end of this video. I wish you enjoyed the video. If you had liked it, like the video and share it with all your family members. My name is Leo Varghese. You are watching Bird Freaks 2021. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and peace.